Development of the Oil Spectrometer 0EL8000 atomic emission spectrometer for the detection of elemental content in oil fluids. This monitors the operating status of the equipment and reduces the equipment failure rate. Detection method and accuracy meet ASTM 6595, ASTM 6728, ND/SH/T0865, HB 20094.1 and other testing standards. The Oil Spectrometer 0EL8000 consists of an excitation system, a spectroscopy system, a measurement and control system, analyzing technical components such as software systems and test methods. Excitation system, evaporation of oil by high-energy arc power supply. Excitation of characteristic atomic emission spectral lines in oils and fluids. Rotating disc electrode design, 30 revolutions per minute. Rod-shaped electrode holder device with automatic adjustment of electrode spacing. Designed to prevent contamination from oil sputtering and filter stray light translucent cutoffs. Excitation room safety switch to prevent accidental door opening design. Built-in electrode grinder. Optimized exhaust designed to prevent cross-contamination. Optical system. The emission spectrum of the light source is introduced into the optical system through the fiber optic light path. Splitting light path with classic PAR-type Lang structure. Manufacturing of special materials and thermostatic control of light chambers. Ensures stability of the optical system. Highly sensitive CMOS sensors are better suited for ultra-low level element detection. Accuracy to 0.01 parts per million. High performance CMOS detector system. Each CMOS 2048 pixels, detecting channels not less than 8 times 2048 equals 16384. High performance holographic diffraction grating with 2700 lines/m. Temperature stabilization system stabilized at 30 Earth 0.1 degrees Celsius. Use of special materials to cope with drift. Focal length 500 mm. Spectral wavelength 170-1000 nanometers according to the actual needs of users' specific configuration. Automatic tracing with full optical system. Enclosed light chamber avoids dust and light interference. Application analysis software. Oil Spectrometer 0EL8000 analysis software running on Windows operating system. Integrated elemental qualitative and quantitative analysis. The interface is displayed in the window via a drop-down menu. Direct qualitative and quantitative analysis of elements in oil samples. Analysis software integrates all spectroscopic applications. All of these functions can be displayed in the window via a drop-down menu. Alarm thresholds for analyzed results can be set according to the application. Historical data and analytical spectra can also be called up at any time for trend analysis. Failure analysis of maintenance equipment can be determined. The analytical application software can save sample data and test times. Convenient for historical inquiries and statistics. With switching output brightness, intensity, brightness rate, intensity ratio, standardized and corrected luminance ratio, intensity ratio, percentage concentration of content and ppm concentration can be optionally displayed. The analysis software has an internal detector CMOS, the pixel auto correction system, dynamic background correction system, third element interference correction system. The results can be automatically repeated for each analyzed data. Includes standard deviation of mean and relative standard deviation. Easy for users to organize and analyze data. Software systems provide LIMS network interface protocols. Connectable to laboratory LIMS systems. Operating methods. No sample handling required. Analyzes up to 32 elements in a 30-second time period. Convenient and fast. The operation process is sample mixing, sample ultrasonic defoaming, grinding rod electrode, placement of disc electrodes, placement of oil cartridges, placement of rod electrodes, adjusting the pole pitch, closing the excitation chamber door, operating the software test, displaying the test results. The product has been used in military, aviation, aerospace, railroad, marine, mining. Widely used in many fields such as steel, petrochemical, power generation, wind power, etc. Product quality is fully affirmed by users.